All right, welcome back. In this part 3, we're going to talk about saving it so that we can get back to it and use this design later. So the main reason you want to save it is for being able to get back to it to edit it, but also getting back to your information so that you can read your information for the next step in the process. Okay, so once I'm here, and so if you are a face-to-face learner, you're on the desktop, you're using the desktop version, then you can just save it to the desktop or the documents folder. Anything on the computer is fine, okay, to get back to it. It's fairly simple. If you're using the virtual server and you can access the Google Drive, then once you go to File and Save As, you should see your Google Drive in here under this PC. Okay, if it didn't show up to this PC, then click on the link right here and you should see it there. If that doesn't work, you're using your OneDrive, so here's how to get to that. So click on this PC if it's not already on there. Then you're going to go to Windows and the C drive right here. You're going to double click that. Okay, then you're going to go down to Users right here. Double click Users to open it up. See if I can get it. There we go. Then you want to find your ID number. Okay, and I'm going to, mine's under my name, but yours should be under your actual ID number. So I'm going to double click that. There we go. And now I can find, I see my OneDrive here. And you have two versions of it. You want the OneDrive Denton ISD. Double click that, and you can pretty much save it anywhere here. I'm going to save this as Test Bridge 2. You want to choose a name that you'll be familiar with, but you can just click Save. Okay. From there, I can, let's say I close that. Actually, let me just go here. Close. All right. That closes it out completely. Let's say I'm coming back in the next day. Open it back up. Okay. So I closed that. Now I'm going to load an existing bridge design. I'm not going to start new again. Click OK. And if it doesn't take me to that OneDrive automatically, then again, this PC, Windows, Users, your ID number, and then back into OneDrive, find your bridge name, and open it. There you go. Okay. If neither one of those work, if OneDrive, Google Drive, you can't, for some reason it's not working, you can't access either one of those, then do a screenshot. Okay, so with whatever device you have, you may have to search how to do a screenshot, but take a screenshot of your window. Okay, then come to a Google Drive and paste it in there. Actually, you can either, if you do a Windows version, you may be able to paste it. I actually have to insert it because it makes a file. And if you're on a Chromebook, you may have to do this as well. So actually, so here I inserted it, but I forgot to do one thing when I did the screenshot. So let's go back. I'm going to delete that. Let's go back and do that again. I want to make sure I know what number each of these members are, so I need to select all of them. So I can do that just by clicking on my selection tool and highlighting everything. Okay, and it's going to highlight everything over here as well, but it's going to give me a number for each of these. So here's 1. I can go up and look. Here's 1, and I know that that's 4 meters long. Okay, and that's going to be information I need when I actually draw and start making the bridge. Okay. So very important if you're doing a screenshot that you do that to help you so that you'll know exactly which member goes with, which beam over here goes with which information over here that you're going to need. Okay, so let's do screenshot. Come back, and remember, this is just last case if you can't save your file with either one of those to Google Drive or OneDrive. There we go. And now I have a screenshot of my bridge. I know what it looks like. I have all the information I need over here, and I can continue on with the next part of the project. So that's it, guys. Couple different ways, couple different troubleshooting ways to get the information you need for the next step in the process. Thanks.